News piece number 1 comes from Bloomberg News, saying that Canadian population is getting younger due to strong immigration. Read this piece for yourself, and it's relevant to business immigration because the younger population gets, the more workforce we have and the more taxpayers we will have. But again, the aging population is one of the biggest problems of Canada in terms of immigration, economy, and everything else that relates to population. So thank you for Bloomberg to bringing this up, but it's on a positive note. I think Canada's population aging has slowed down a little bit, and median age is now around 40 years old. News piece number 2 comes from my hometown of Burlington, Ontario, where EcoSynthetix announces new manufacturing line in Burlington. It's a great news. It shows that business is booming in that sector. EcoSynthetix, check out their website. They are sustainable engineering company that offers biopolymers, and this is sustainability, environmental friendliness is the topic that many businesses are embracing in Canada. One example is starting from 2025, there will be no single-use plastic in Canada. It's a good piece. Maybe it will inspire you to open a business in that space. And news piece number 3 comes from Statistics Canada in the form of this beautiful infographics about the business conditions in Canada for the first quarter of 2024. There are certain alarming data, there are positive data, and so on. On a positive note, 2 in 5 businesses have increased their revenues from 2022 to 2023. This is a good snapshot. It's a very high-level snapshot provided by Statistics Canada. Those who want to do business in this beautiful country should take a look at this infographics and make their own conclusions. As usual, all relevant links to these news pieces will be in the description below, so follow us on social media to stay updated.